You just had to do it, didn't you?
Me? What did I do?
You just had to go to the surface, had to enter the Iacon 5000. You just had to break protocol.
Who cares about protocol?
I do. I care, because nothing bad happens when you stay on protocol.
Sentinel Prime has been forcing us to work in the mines until our gears strip. And all the while, he's been giving the Energon away to our greatest enemies.
And what do you think he's going to do to us when he finds out that we know?
I'm not thinking about what he's going to do. I'm thinking about what we're going to do.
Well, that's the whole thing. You're never thinking about anything else, just yourself. Fantastic. Another Orion Pack's master plan. I can't wait to hear this.
Wait, don't you want to stop him?
No, I want to kill him. I want to put Sentinel in chains and march him through the mines so everyone can see him for the false prime that he is. I want him to suffer and then to die in darkness. But we all know that it doesn't matter what I want, right, Pax? The fact is, we're just cogless bots, right? We had limited options, and now we